Here's how to properly use the text tool in Photoshop. So this is my blank project. Now from this tool panel, I'm selecting the text tool, or you can just press T on your keyboard to select the text tool. Now before writing your text, we have to customize this option. To change your text font, click here and select a font for your text. You can change your font style from here. Also, you can change your font text size from here. You can change your text alignment as well, and click here and select a color for your text just like this. And now all you have to need, just click anywhere and go ahead and write your text just like this. Then click on OK. And now select the selection tool or move tool, and then you can easily move your text. You can click and drag any of these dot to change your text size just like this. And to add another text to your project, add a blank layer, select the text tool, and now write your text here. You can change your second text color as well. Press enter, select the move tool, and you can change your text size. Now you can select your multiple text layer, and then you can align them just like this. So that's how you can actually use the text tool. Thanks for watching.